So I'm going to cover the extract image from PDF activity. Okay, so we have seen that export PDF page as an image, and now so I'm going to cover this extract image from PDF. Just drag and drop. Before that, create a new sequence. That will be great. Extract images from PDF. Okay, click create. Just drag and drop extract images from PDF, and here you have to provide your PDF path to extract images from that PDF file. So okay, so I'm going to here. So there is a file. Let me check. Is there any file contains images? So there will be a file export PDF images. Open it, and this PDF now it will contain a couple of images. Okay, you see it contains images here and here and here, and there are few images available in this PDF. Now I want to extract these images only. Okay, then go here and provide your path, that is export PDF image file. Click OK, and then where you want to store all your images. So here, if I want to store all images, in the sense it's not a file path, it's a folder path. Okay, so let me see here. So I have an image PDF folder here. It is empty as of now. I'm going to give this folder and just go inside and images to PDF. There is nothing, and copy this file. Copy this folder path and go here, and here within double quotes add it. Okay, let's click OK, and the image extension, it should be PNG, and if a PDF file contains password, you can give the password also. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going into debug panel, and you see on the debug menu, click on step into, and click on step into. That's it, done. Okay, now you go and check it in the project panel. So there is under image PDF, and go and check it here under the image PDF. So you can see all the files, it's extracted. I mean all the images extracted from the PDF file. Image 1, 2.1, 2.2, 3.1, 3.2, something like that, it extracted. Okay, this is how we can extract images from a PDF file using this extract image from PDF activity.